Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me today. In today's snapshot we're going to be looking at the DAX. It's trying to push up. We're going to see how we can potentially trade it, but before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, the DAX ended very strongly last week. We're looking to see if the bulls are going to follow through this week. We are looking for some data. We're looking for updated Q1 GDP numbers coming out of the Eurozone. We're also going to be looking at the flash quarter employment data. And these numbers due out 9 a.m. GMT. Let's just take a look at the chart. Okay, what we have here is our DAX Ichimoku. This is a daily. I just want to point out that we have Thursday with the lowest low. To either side of that we've got high lows, and then Friday we saw some really good bullish follow through. So those are the conditions that are generally needed for some sort of swing. It doesn't guarantee a swing, okay, but with those conditions the probability of a swing do increase. It just doesn't mean that a swing is guaranteed. I wish it were that easy. Please take a note of the lagging line. The lagging line is above price. The fact that it's above price is also a good sign, because if the lagging line moves in that northeastward direction, and if price moves in that northeastward direction, we'll get some sort of trend. That can't happen unless the lagging line is above price. So that's a good sign. We also note that this black baseline is moving up in a northeasterly direction. So all of that is looking pretty good. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. Alright, so the GDP and employment data will make for interesting and important reference points. The DAX ended strongly last week, and we are looking to see if bulls follow through this week. Thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me. Look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.